Anti-gun professor found guilty in vandalism case involving NRA Lobbyist's home. Now, an Alexander General District Court judge on Monday found a Nebraska professor guilty of vandalizing the home of the NRA chief lobbyist Chris Cox in Alexandria, Virginia. Now, the University of Nebraska-Lincoln professor Patricia Wanch Hill, who pleaded not guilty to the charge of misdemeanor destruction of property, must pay a $1,000 fine and was ordered to stay 500 feet away from Cox's residence. Now, the act of vandalism occurred in January of 2018, according to witnesses. Professor Hill sprayed fake blood on Cox's home. During the criminal trial, Cox's legal team also presented the surveillance video from the home that allegedly shows Hill committing the crime. Now, Hill was also served with a warrant after court for another alleged act of vandalism on the same residence. Now, Elizabeth Locke, Cox's family attorney, says this incident happened in October of 2017. Now, Locke gave a statement to the Daily Caller saying, "We are pleased that today Ms. Hill was criminally convicted of vandalism for her January attack on the Cox's home, that she was charged with a second count of vandalism for an attack on the Cox family home in October of 2017, and that a restraining order was entered against her." Now, the Cox family is grateful for the Commonwealth Attorney's Office and the Alexandria Police Department for their role in holding Mrs. Hill accountable for her criminal conduct. We look forward to a second conviction for Mrs. Hill at her next criminal trial. Now, the vandalism in both cases was accomplished by a series of protests and confrontations in front of the Cox's home and outside of his wife's interior design business. Protesters handed out flyers, created posters, and created an anti-Cox website. The protests were spearheaded by the Great American Gun Melt, which has a stated mission to destroy the gun industry. So be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me how you feel about this report. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great day. Let's make America great again. Peace.